Hi everyone, today we're gonna look at secure and the permission. Salut mes amis, j'espère que vous allez très bien. Dans cette leçon, nous allons voir ensemble secure and the permission. Mbote na bandeko nyonso boza kolanda ngai lelo na kolobela bino secure na permission. Alors na makambo so na bando koloba ezala omona ngo ezala connecté na anglais, ok? Na kosala nyonso oyo ekoki na explike bino bien mpo makambo so natangi yango na anglais, ok? Alors so botali bien bokomona na nini na folder na permission ntango na kocreye ntango na kocreye folder na document bokomona na kati ya file na kati ya file wana bokomona full control, modify, read, and execute. You're also gonna see read, write. Okay. Sometimes you're gonna see full control, modify, read, execute, and write. Okay. So we're gonna look at in some situation like how you can encrypt it. Okay. But in this case, I'm gonna show you guys when we're talking about the permission, we're talking about the read, the write, the full control. I just want to show guys. I want you guys to have an idea. You know what I mean? That way, yaona zoloba omona na kati ya file tuna na kati ya file na yo omona eza na bakoma full control, bakoma modify, bakoma read and execute, bakoma write, bakoma pe na write. Okay. Alors like Sabino, videos of Mamulai, guys, the video is not that long, okay? So please take your time in case you don't get it. I'm gonna try my best as I can to provide you guys the right information, okay? So yeah, like I said, okay? So I'm gonna create a file, okay? I'm gonna create a file and then I'm gonna show you guys, okay? So I'm just gonna log in my PC. I'm using virtual machine, okay? So naza na ordinateur mosusu naza koutilize. Alors oyo eza tobenga yango virtual machine. Alors nakosalela yango nyonso na kati ya machine oyo, okay? Alors natia mot de passe, après ça na explique bino yango na nini kati kuna. Okay. Alors tosala yango awa na kati, okay? So na go créer document, okay? I'm just gonna create the document. Okay, let me first create a folder. Okay, this is the folder. We're gonna name it let's say uh let's uh let's name this okay, this is the name of our folder. Okay, that's the name of it. So inside of the folder, if we click on it, okay, that's inside. Now we're gonna create the document. Okay, we're just gonna create something simple. Okay, so let's call this document 1. Okay, so we're gonna click this, we're gonna click inside of it. We're just gonna create something small. I'm gonna close this. Oh, sorry. I'm just gonna sorry. So you see, this is my host machine. Okay, this is my host machine. Now the one I'm using here, this is a guest. Okay, but I'm gonna explain to you guys later on. So in this case, what I'm trying to do here, okay, so I'm gonna create the document. Okay? This is the file I'm creating. Okay, so just something small. something small. So when you know, in this case, you're gonna see here, it's supposed to have like the accent, okay? But since I'm using I'm using the notepad, I cannot put it there, okay? But usually you're gonna see some accent here. Omoni document unaza kuitilize tobenga ngo notepad, okay? Mwena cha accent awe zati. Mais so kinde tinaza kukoma na word na wota accent awe, okay? Mais weza kuwa français te nazo pesa bino kaka to créer kaka melo ko mwa muke bon na l'accent bino après, okay? Na français ya bien, so kinde toza mwa o ezati tina lo bandeti. Na pesa d'exemple, o ezati ko la Paul, okay? Na pesa d'exemple. Oyo eza lokola Paul soki nalobi nde nakoma Pauline, ok, Pauline awa eke change, ok, awa eke change, ok. So in this case, for example, if I put, let's say Pauline, okay, I'm gonna paste it here. We're gonna change this to A, okay? But this is not the French course, okay? This is the computer course, okay? So I'm not gonna focus on this now in French part, no. So I'm gonna save this, okay? So I'm gonna copy here and save it, okay? So I'm gonna close this, okay? Right there, we close it. It's here, okay? So when we close this, okay, we close it. This is our document, okay? Now, what I want to show you guys here, we call this the permission, okay? So when we click on the folder, right click on it, okay? Liboko na katikati uklike yango na suri nayo. Na solo bana lingala po tuana batu msuba ba français te. Tobina batu msuba ba anglais malamu te. Na lo ba lingala, okay? Alors, you click click na liboko na katikati na souris na yo na nina yo oye awa. You come here, okay? You click on it, okay? So when you click on this, you're gonna see, okay? We have something here. It's called share, okay? We have something here. It's called security, okay? We have something here. It's called preview vision, okay? We have here customize, okay? We don't have to worry about this. So we are here, we're gonna focus on it here, okay? So what I was saying, okay, you see here we have full control, we have modify, we have read and execute, we have a list of the folder contents, okay? We have read and we have write, okay? Yona ndo kuloba soko tali bien okomona toza na full control yango bapesi yo abatie awa allowed, deny. Bapesi yango awa eza koboya so nalobi na lingala, okay? Sikoyo soki tolobi tochange yango, oyo nazosala yango eza na kati ya folder, oyo nazolinga na change eza na kati ya folder, na clique right click na ye awa. Sorry guys, I just gonna explain to you lingala a little bit. Après ça na ye awa na secure. Donc na ye na secure yango e place nazolobela awa permission for the system, nazolobela full control, modify, read and execute list of the folder contents, read, write, okay? Yango nazolobela sikoyo so tolobi tochange yango, to deny yango oya awa clique awa, toko clique awa okoya awa. So dit na bina pesa ngo kaka ndeti permission, na pesa ngo kaka permission kotanga. Ebe donc non ça, na cliquer awa. On ya na kaka awa. Moni siko tanga, na ya na cliquer awa. Okay? Naloba ndeti non. Toloba ndeti to pesa ngo ndeti to deny yango nyonso tu, okay? To deny. Okay? Toloba ndeti kaka kotanga, tolongola kotanga, okay? To deny awa. Let's see if we can do that. For control. Let's put like that. Après ça, tu as apply, okay? Apply. Do you want to continue? Yes. Ok? Após eu clique na biso awa. Ok. Ok? Ou eza na system. Sikoyo, so tolobi to changer. So to clique awa esili to clique na biso ok. Ok? Sikoyo, so to clique awa na carte. To clique na yango. To clique awa. Yango nati. Sikoyo soko na ye na nga awa. Soko na ye na nga awa. Soko na ye na carte na yango. Na clique awa. Right click. Na ye awa. Na clique awa. Na ye awa na secure. Na ye pe awa. Ok? Moni? Na za sikoyo so na ningi na loba na ko remove. Moni add and remove. Ok? So pe na lobi ndesi na clique na awa. Moni? So na clique na awa to awa. Me mutu aza na nini na cours oyo ona solobela eza kaka na partie mpona nini napesa bino nini belebele te po eza na partie na otangisa bino. Guys, I have a course I'm gonna explain to you guys about this. Okay, it's a part of A plus. For now, if you don't get it, it's okay. Don't panic. If you don't get it, that's okay, because when I start the A plus, I'm gonna show you guys exactly what I'm talking about. Okay, at the beginning it may sound kind of fuzzy, but it's okay, don't worry. Okay, so yeah, so this is what I want to show you guys. Okay, so in case sometimes when you create a document, you don't get it sometimes because you're new, right? You don't know. When you know, like when you're an adult, sometimes you try to learn computer, they show Word, Excel, but you know, you don't really study that much to understand, right? So today, this is the only thing I want to show you guys for today. Okay, so I don't want to give you guys a lot. I don't want that. So I'm gonna stop here for today.